This is Matrix Floyd 212. It's crazy out here right now. Oh, I just got hit with something. Oh! Alright. It's flying stuff everywhere. Oh, my camera got messed up. Alright. Come on, Snick. Come on, Snicky. Alright. Pieces of the house are flying off. Pool's going all over the place. Sammy Carter, hope you understand. I can't film no Halloween episode for Living the Dream Stories because I'm a little busy right now. But, oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. What? What the hell? Oh! Whoa! This is crazy! You see this? Look at this. It's insane. Stuff flying off the house. Can't even believe it. Come on, Snick. Come on, Snick. Oh, look out! What's that? Alright. Alright. Come on, Snick! Come here. Come on, Snick! Oh. Alright. Come on, Snick! Snicky! Come on! Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my God. Alright. This is in Staten Island, New York, mind you. Oakwood Heights. Crazy. The weather is absolutely, it's like 610 right now. 610! Alright? And it's gonna get worse. Shingles are flying. My phone, oh. Alright, that's it. Signing off. Bye-bye.